This review is a long time coming, so I'm going to start by just showing you right away. This is the beginning portrait that my son did. He was 12 years old when he did this, so this was last year, almost a year ago today, and he did this at 12 years old. When he finished this book, this is what his final was. This. So he literally went from this to this just by going through this book within a few short months. It is insane, the progression. Like, I thought in my family, we have a bunch of, very artistic people in our family, and he has just already surpassed all of us just because of this book that Lauren Horn wrote called This Is Not a Sketchbook, It's an Art Class. Now, I don't typically review books. There's a lot of copyright issues when it comes to books, but I reached out to Lauren just to make sure that it was okay that I review this and show some of the pages inside, so I do have permission to do that. But I want to just give you an idea of just what you're capable of doing just by following some of the things that she teaches in here. So let me go back to the first page because I want to show you the table of contents. So this is the table of contents, and there's a lot here. I mean, she gets into value. She uses the grid method. There's a lot of negative space practice, upside down drawing practice, drawing a nose, just even the way that you see things, the way that she teaches it is just really incredible. And the way that she does this is there is a QR code. I have to cover it up because I'm not allowed to show it in the videos, but there's a QR code here, and then that brings you to a YouTube video that she has, just a private YouTube video where she teaches exactly what to do for each lesson, and each page seems to have a different lesson. So, and there's all kinds of practice. So it's not like something, you wouldn't want to get this book for 2 kids. You really need 1 book per person. So like this, for instance, is dealing with 1-point perspective. So he did it of like part of the inside of our house. And you can see it's really basic here, but he was just getting some of the basic lines. And so she walks through the whole thing, gives tips throughout it, tells him exactly how to do this. Here is 2-point perspective and even like continuous contour. So these are some of the practice pages with those specific lessons, but there's also other lessons. So here's one where really getting into value and shading, hatching, cross hatching. You have stippling down here, just different places that you can actually practice some of this. So again, this goes back to, you don't want to use this book with more than 1 person because you only have room on here for 1, and you really need the reference images that are in some of these. So this one, how not to draw eyes, or how to draw eyes. So you see like what you shouldn't do. And then like these ones down here are the ones that my son did, are these 2 bottom boxes, and the same thing with the mouths over here. So again, each one of these pages goes with a different lesson that she teaches. And she's just a very, very gifted teacher. That's really all I can say. I mean, I can't look at this and what he has done since then and not just see how incredibly gifted she is. So I'm really excited for her other book that she has coming out soon. And when he was done with this, he actually made me this, which is it was originally a photo, right? And he drew it from looking at the photo and it's exactly like the photo. Like, it's insane. And I showed her, like when I was asking if it would be okay if I did a review on this book, I showed her some of the images, his before and after and stuff, and she actually posted it on her social media, and he has been accused of using AI, which is just crazy to me. I mean, in a way it's flattering, but this is not AI. Like, if you look really closely, I don't know how well you can tell with the glass over this, but there are pencil marks. I mean, he did this on his own, and it took a very, very long time. Just incredible. If you want to really take your realism drawing, your realistic drawing, if that's the kind of art that you like, to the next level, then you definitely want to check out This Is Not a Sketchbook, It's an Art Class book. She just is incredible.